the trick is make me sound like a robot. So
Free your mind. Free your mind. Free your mind. Free your mind.
so these things are always just like kind of. Oh, this is the right key.
Free your mind. Free your mind.
Put this off.
Free your mind. Free your mind. Free your mind. Free your mind.
I think that this should be a bit more like that.
Free your mind. 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 Free your mind.
Maybe a bit like this.
Free your mind. Free your mind. Free your mind. Free your mind.
Okay, cool. So these are harmonies. See if it sounds like this.
Free your mind. Free your mind. Free your mind. Free your mind.
Okay, cool. Robot mode. Let's put on the That's a boy.
Free your mind. 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 Free your mind.
Let's think of what we can do.
Free your mind.
So this is like a mono input. We can set it back to stereo. So there is a difference when you...
Free your mind. Free your mind. Free your mind. Free your mind.
So it sounds more like a synth now. So OTT will do good, I think.
Free your mind. Free your mind.
Kanye West in the building. Some room.
Free your mind. Free your mind. Free your mind.
Maybe some chorus would be nice. But then, yeah, we'll just the easy chorus.
Free your mind. Free your mind. Free your mind.